Okay, hello everyone. So today we got a violin coming in with a detached neck and a fretboard. So not so traditional approach. Usually when it comes to glue, they will use hide glue, but right here I'm using tight bond to actually glue it in place. So this is one of my first few times working with violins. So yeah, hope you like the video. I see you at the end. Bye. Okay, I reglued the fretboard to the neck, then from the neck to back to the body. It looks okay right now. Restrung with a new set of string as well. To be frank, I don't exactly know what I'm doing, but I think okay lah, because I just want to try it out, right? I roughly know where goes where, so based on my guitar repair knowledge, so it's not rocket science, I guess. So yeah, by the way, I don't play violins, I just try lah. Okay, bye.